Today is Friday, November 12th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac DeVille Coupe DeVille and DeVille Convertible front door pull straps. This is for the two-door coupe, which includes the convertible. In the 1969-1970, these pull straps were 18¼ inches overall length and 16½ inches between centers, okay, for the mounting screws. This particular unit is going to my friends Sean and Katrina in Fort Lauderdale, and I'll be shipping out today as soon as I get their okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is for their 1970 DeVille convertible. It includes not just the two pull straps, but also the mounting hardware and the tensioning screws. The tensioning screws mount in either of these holes here, and you lift it up in order to apply tension to the escutcheon chrome bezel. So the escutcheon chrome bezels are also included, okay, and they basically slide over like this. And if we take a look at the retention clips, these retention clips inside can be snugged together to increase the fit, or you can rely on lifting up the adjusting screw right here, which mounts in either of these two locations, raising it up this way, applying a snugger fit against the inside of the escutcheon cap. So this is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille convertible front door pull straps for my friends Sean and Katrina. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the tilt and telescopic steering column restoration, power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, November 12th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.